Welcome everyone. Are you looking for a super simple way to connect a Paystack account on your site's payment form? You can do it in one click with Better Payment. We're going to show you a very easy method in this video. Let's start. The first thing we have to do is create an account in Paystack if we don't have any. Go to the Paystack website. At the top corner, you will find a button that says Create Free Account. Click on it. Now you will land on the account creation page. Choose your country from the drop-down. Enter your business name. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a password for your account. You will see 3 business types. Select one that matches your business. It can be a starter, registered, or sole proprietorship. Answer the question about whether you are a software developer by choosing yes or no. Then, click the button that says Create My Account. Once your email address has been verified, check your inbox and click the confirmation link. After that, go back to the Paystack login page. Log in using your email and password. Paystack will send a one-time verification code to your email. Enter that code to log in securely. You will see 2 important keys here, a test secret key and a test public key. Copy both of them. We will use them soon. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Better Payment Settings. Click on Payment Options. From there, click on Paystack. Now paste the test public key and the test secret key you copied from your Paystack account. Live mode lets you process real transactions using Paystack. Moving forward, enable live mode from above and tap Save Changes. Now let's connect Paystack to Elementor website's payment form. Open the page where you want to place the payment option. From the left sidebar, search for the Better Payment widget. Drag and drop it into your preferred section of the page. Inside the Better Payment settings, turn on the Enable Paystack option. Also, turn off Stripe and PayPal options if you are not using them. From the Layout dropdown, pick your preferred layout. Then, go to the Form settings and turn on the option called Show Amount List. Now switch to the Paystack Settings tab. You can customize the button color from the color picker, from Form Button Style. For more design control, go to the Advanced Settings and customize it even more. Once done, click Publish. This is how simple it is to connect Paystack with a payment form and begin using it to collect payments. Now let's check how it looks. You can find the Paystack payment form showing up on your site. Fill up the necessary fields and then proceed to payment. Once everything is filled correctly, you will see a message that says Payment Successful, and that is secured by Paystack. And that is it. Your customers can easily make payments using Paystack on your website. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.